We're ignoring our allergies and losing our pet deposit. It's Action Cats, a game by Keith Baker and Jen Ellis. This cat party game features one rotating judge, while the other players submit possible characteristics to create a backstory for the judge's kitty, embellishing and adding flair to win the judge's approval. Setup begins with each player receiving 4 cat cards shuffled from the cat deck, and the player with the most cat hair on their sweater becomes the cat judge. The judge will take the top cat card from the deck and name their cat. The Sir Muffin Tops. The players then openly submit 2 cards from their hand, a white half and a black half, combined to create their story. The judge verbally reviews each submission. This cat is the subject of a highly acclaimed true crime series in a galaxy far, far away. And after everyone has had a chance to campaign for their Action Cat story, the judge will select one winner. They will be awarded the cat card as a trophy. Then the judge passes to the left and gameplay continues until 9 total cats have been awarded. The player with the most cat trophy cards wins. And that's Action Cats. I'm Becca Scott, and I was a cat person, but I've been leaning dog lately. You can check out this game and other awesome games on International Tabletop Day on April 28th, right here on Geek and Sundry.